Hey, Techos Roofing. My name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. So I noticed you guys were sending out ads that I came across when I was looking up roofing company ads and trying to boost one of my clients. So I figured I would shoot this quick screencast video and show you just some tools and tricks that you could implement, or I could help you implement to start boosting your customer sales and not have to rely on paying Facebook. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow. We can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the things I talk about and do it all yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me get into the 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So this is obviously your Facebook page, so I can't review your website. However, I just Googled roofer Tampa, and Westfall Roofing is your #1 competitor here. So I took their website and I went ahead and I ran it in SEO Quakes, a tool that I use, and I can see that they have 938 words on their content on their homepage. So Google has said that they want at least 1,500 words to be optimized on their platform. So if you were to build a website, I would highly recommend that you have a minimum of 1,500 words here on the home page, and just right out of the gate you're already beating your competition there. So that would be the first thing that I would recommend. Second would be growing the keywords, right? So keywords are very important. This is when you search for Google whatever you're looking for, what tells Google to pull up your website and your business. So as we can see, what they're using is roofing, roof, contractor, warranty, roofing contractor, Westfall roofing, commercial roofing, residential roof, stuff like this. So when building your site, I would highly recommend that you use these keywords because it's going to tell Google to pull up Techos Roofing when they're looking for this. Lastly, I want to talk about backlinks. So backlinks are what tell Google that your website is as important or more important than other websites. Backlinks are other websites saying, hey, go to this website. So if we look here, how much does a new roof cost from householdquotes.com is linking to the Westfall Roofing website. Or owenscoring.com and their independent roofing contractors near Newport Richey, Florida is linking to Westfall, so on and so forth. Building this backlink profile is pivotal in ranking up in Google and literally the most important part, because it'll give you a built-up URL rating and a domain rating, and that is what Google bases their ranking off of mostly. And you can even look here. This company is getting $43,000 a month in traffic value just from ranking up their website organically. So just think of the amount of money that you're missing out on by not creating a website, boosting your website, and having an SEO professional grow that website. So this is just crazy numbers, right? So in closing, we went over 3 things that your competition's doing that you could easily beat them on. One is content. 1,500 words, that's easy to build up on that homepage. Secondly, we went over keywords and how important these keywords are throughout your content to build a good quality website. Thirdly, most importantly, and the toughest, is backlinks. They have a lot of backlinks, so beating them here would be hard. But once you do, look at the amount of money that you could be missing out on and that you could be putting into your business monthly. So if you're wondering, what now? Well, if you implement these strategies today, you could start growing and be on the top of Google searches in no time. So you can take the information I gave you and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route, you want to save yourself the time, and you want to see more strategies that I can implement for you, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.